Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We've gone over the fundamentals of juggling. Right foot, left foot, repetition is everything. Keep the ball below the knee. Get that nice backspin on it. And then we've also gone over some flick ups to initiate your juggling, because you don't want to start with the ball in your hands. Have to drop it. Be inventive. Get that ball off the ground and start juggling in creative ways. So today, once you've mastered the fundamentals of juggling, you got your flick ups ready to go, you want to introduce some flair, some creativity, some freestyle tricks into your juggling. So today I'm just going to start with the classic around the world and show you guys some variations to that trick. So let's get into the video. Remember, with juggling, the most important thing, first and foremost, is to have that ball glued to your foot. You want it low, and use both right and left foot. Alright, from there, the classic around the world. I'm going to start it with a foot stall and show you guys, because this is how I started. Took the ball, settled it on my foot. This is known as a foot stall, and then from there, did the classic around the world, like this. Toss that ball up in the air, and then pull the foot around it quickly and retrieve it with the same foot. Once you've mastered that, you're going to want to practice it while juggling. So no longer take it from the foot stall. And this first one is going to be an outside around the world. So I tap the ball up to the outside of my body and move my foot inside out. Retrieve it with the same foot. Outside around the world. All right. Now we're going to move into the inside around the world. Difference here, tapping the ball to the middle of your body, your foot's going outside and around the ball. Tap it up, get that foot around it, inside around the world. There it is, outside and inside around the world, first two variations. All right, this next variation is what's known as a mirror around the world, and what it is an outside around the world, and then straight into an inside around the world, or vice versa. And I'm gonna be honest, I've never actually done this. So if it makes it to the video, first time I've ever done this, just so you guys know. Let's see if I can do it. First attempt, not good. Wow, second time. Woo. I can't do it out to in. Here we go, mirror around the world. Woo. Beautiful. Love it. I'm not kidding, this is the first time I've ever done it. Yes. Just goes to show, you're not gonna be able to do anything unless you try it. Be creative, be inventive. What's Albert Einstein always say? Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. So, if you can see it, if you can think it, you can do it. around the world, combining an outside around the world with an inside around the world. No touch in between. Count it, but just barely, so don't count it. There we go. There we go. Albert! Alright, there you have it. Mirror around the world. 3 in a row. Combining an outside around the world with an inside around the world. Boom. Let's do hop the world. I hop up, push off with my left foot. After I tap it up, swing my right foot around. There's your hop the world. Here we go. Three in a row. All right. Let's tap the ball up with the right foot, swing the left foot over for hop the world. Just kidding. Boom. Got it. Just disregard the steep vertical high waters. It's kind of my style these days. All right, a few more hop the worlds. Oh, that was pretty. All right, next variation is the knee around the world. I'm gonna pop the ball up to my thigh, let it touch it, and then try to get my foot around it and retrieve it before it hits the ground. Not pretty, but it counts. Boom. Call it 2.5 in a row. Got it? This knee around the world's pretty tough. I think I might have more success if I do a little jump off to get some momentum after I like touch it with my thigh. I don't know. Yeah, I think that'll help. If I push off the ground a little with my left foot with my standing leg. Alright, the toughest thing with this one is getting that timing down and just the speed of the foot. That'll come with constant repetition. Oh, right there. Come on, 3 in a row. All right, here we go. 5th variation. This is going to be a knee hop the world. I'll pop the ball with my right foot to my left thigh. Let it touch my thigh. Hop over it with my right foot, retrieve it with my right foot. Boom. the world. All right, just like the knee around the world, the knee hop the world is a pretty difficult one to master. So just get your timing down first and foremost. You want to get that touch with the thigh nice and low, and then time that jump with your standing leg. Push off to get that momentum in order to swing the leg around the ball and retrieve it. Alright guys, there you have it. 5 around the world variations. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this leads to you getting a little more creative with your own football skills. Hey, try it out. You're never gonna master it unless you just spend the hours. You saw me mess up countless times, it doesn't matter. Stick to it. Being creative with the ball, spending time with the ball, that's how you get better. That's how you maximize your enjoyment of the game. I could do this every day, all day, the rest of my life. Never get sick and tired of it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it's a good video. But yeah, like I was saying, one of my favorite quotes, Albert Einstein: imagination is everything. It is a preview of life's coming attractions. So if you can think it up here, you can see it, you can visualize it, attack it, go after it, because you can make anything happen, you know? Just like this YouTube channel. Some people might think it's dumb, but I love it, I enjoy it, and it just came to me, you know, sometime last year. Why? I don't know, but I'm gonna pursue it, I'm gonna continue to pursue it. No matter how slow the growth is, who knows what will happen down the road, 2 years from now, 5 years from now. As long as you stick with something, they can't stop you. And it's limitless, you don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, it's like the first rant ever. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. We gotta get to 1,000 subscribers, less than 100 to go. This journey is just getting started. We're at like 60 something videos. One day we're gonna have 500.